The Process of Mitosis by Arya Amatya. Biology, the only science where multiplication and division mean the same thing. Mitosis is the process where cells copy itself and divide, making two identical daughter cells that continue dividing in finite time. There are 6 stages in mitosis which reoccurs as a cycle. The first stage is interphase, also known as the in-between stage. In this phase, the cell replicates its DNA, known as the chromatin, shown in purple and green. It also replicates its centrioles, which help in mitosis and is shown in blue, but the nucleolus, shown in red, does not replicate itself as it is not a part of mitosis. The nuclear membrane consisting of the nucleus, shown in peach, holds the DNA and nucleolus. Then the second stage is the prophase, also known as the before stage. In prophase, the enzymes slowly begin to disintegrate the nuclear membrane, shown by the dashed peach lines. During this process, the nucleolus disappears, and slowly the centrioles begin to move to later form microtubules, known as fiber spindles. The two identical chromatid, known as chromosomes, is connected in the center by the centromere, shown in white. The third phase is the metaphase, also known as the middle stage of mitosis. After the nuclear membrane disappears, the chromosomes line up in the middle of a cell known as the equator. In this phase, the centrioles at the opposite ends of the cells begin to form spindle fibers that connect to the centromere of each chromosome. Following the metaphase is the anaphase, also known as the backstage. In this phase, the cell slowly begins to elongate, shown in orange, and the spindle fiber, shown in gray, slowly pulls away each sister chromatid to opposite sides of the cell. Finally, the telophase, also known as the final or the complete stage. In this stage, the cell begins to pinch in the center, while the chromatids reach the centrioles. The spindle fiber slowly begins to disappear. And a new nuclear membrane begins to slowly form, shown in peach lines. The cell begins to take its new shape as it continues to pinch in the center. Lastly, the stage that follows the telophase is the cytokinesis stage, where cleavage is formed by pinching in the middle caused by the cytoplasm. Slowly, the nucleolus is formed in the formation of the two cells, and a cell membrane is formed. The two distinct cells are now independent daughter cells with the identical set of chromosomes. The process of mitosis is complete, but is replicated in a cycle starting from the interphase. In this second process of interphase, a second chromatid and a second centriole is duplicated, and the process of mitosis starts in the beginning of each cell. The end. Thank you, Ms. Cardinal, for the opportunity to present the process of mitosis.
Here we go, genetic code determines how you live. All size, shape, color, all make you who you is. You should know the chromosomes has thousands of genes, A, T, and G, C. Mixed types of proteins, direct synthesis.